Open your book on page 27. Here, somewhere here, okay? Okay, so we're going to continue our study or our lesson. All right, we're going to study our lesson about adjectives, okay? Yesterday we talked about adjectives. All right, adjectives. Adjectives.
Kata sifat.
Okay, very good, Fauzan. Kata sifat. Okay. Adjective is kata sifat. Okay, who can describe more in detail? Adjective is
Kata yang menjelaskan suatu noun.
yes, kata yang menjelaskan suatu noun. An adjective is describes a noun. Okay. For example, tall. Okay, the boy. Okay, boy. Tall boy. Okay, tall boy. Nah, biasanya adjectives itu you can put the adjective before the noun, ya kan? Tall boy. Okay, tall boy. Fat man, ya kan? Fat man. Thin apa? Fat, thin. Ini semua these are all adjectives. Tall, short. Fat, thin. Yeah? Okay? Tall, short. Fauzan, what's the English of gemuk? Huh? Okay, big. Okay, big, small. Okay?
Big smoke.
Okay?
Big.
Okay, let's practice this. Tall, short, big, small, handsome. Okay? Tall, short, big, small, fat. Apa? What's the opposite of fat? Thin. Okay. Kalau lebar apa? Wide. Kalau sempit? Huh? What's the opposite of wide? Okay? Anybody know? Huh? What? Land? Leg? Starts with N. The road is wide, ya kan? Okay, say for example, the noun is road, kan? Okay. Wide, okay, wide road, okay, wide road. What's the opposite of wide? Starts with an N.
Not wide.
N. Not wide. Misalnya path, okay, path. And this is the noun path, jalan ya. Jalan sempit. Wide road, and then there's the ending is W. Okay. Okay, let's play hangman. Do you know what hangman is? Okay. And okay, very good. Faris. Okay, narrow. Okay. Let's try that again. Tall, short, big, small, wide, narrow, handsome. Okay, apa?
Ugly.
Not handsome. Okay, those are all adjectives. Okay. Now, in this book, on page 27, you will have another 20 adjectives. Okay, another 20 adjectives. Okay, open your book. Now look at the table over here. On page, what page? On page 27. Okay, look at this. Okay, there are 20, I think. Yeah, 20 adjectives. Okay, one is big-headed. Okay, big-headed. What does big-headed mean?
Besar kepala.
Yeah.
Keras kepala.
Big-headed means he thinks that he knows everything. Yeah. ST sok tahu ya. Okay. Big-headed. Big-headed. Okay, big-headed. Kalau keras kepala apa? Kalau keras kepala apa? Kalau big-headed,
Stone brick Ustaz.
hard-headed. Hard-headed. I don't know if this is okay. Tapi biasanya stubborn ya, stubborn. Stubborn. Okay, stubborn. Stubborn. Okay. Next one is bossy. Apa artinya bossy? Huh? Bossy. Bossy is hujan, tapi bossy. What does bossy mean? Bossy. Bukan bossy. Bossy. What does bossy mean? Huh?
Bos. Management.
Nyuruh-nyuruh.
Huh? Nyuruh-nyuruh from the word boss. Boss. From the word boss. Kan boss is the one who tells people. Huh? The boss is usually the one who tells people to do things. Kan? Okay, do this, go that. Do this, yeah? Go over there. Don't do this. Bossy. Anybody bossy in the class over here? Huh? Okay, chatty. Chatty. Bossy. Okay, chatty. Okay, usually the adjective, you can make a word become adjective using your Y, yeah? This word. Boss. From the word boss, bossy, yeah? Chatty. Cheerful. Kalau tadi chat itu dari chat ya. Chat itu bercakap-cakap. Chatty. Okay? Cheerful. Okay, periang. And then hardworking. Yes, very good. Helpful. Ya, suka menolong ya. Anybody helpful over here? Who is helpful over here? Suka menolong. Their friends. Huh? Helpful. This is a good character, okay? Moody. Yeah, moody. Huh? Moody. From the word mood. Mood itu adalah
Happy.
mood itu artinya perasaan. Mood. Apa? Mood artinya perasaan. Tapi moody artinya perasaannya bisa berubah-ubah. Ya? Apa? What? Swing. Ya, a swing mood ya. Okay. So mood, perasaan, tapi moody sedikit-sedikit dia marah, sedikit-sedikit dia cheerful, berubah. Okay? Moody-nya, okay? Sometimes a moody person is unpredictable. Okay? Now, apa lagi? Outgoing. What does outgoing mean? Outgoing, backpacker? Outgoing. Outgoing is he likes to go out. Somebody who likes to go out. So usually another word is there's extrovert, extrovert, and apa? Kalau ada extrovert ada? Introvert. Okay, introvert. Okay, extrovert is outgoing. Okay, somebody who likes to go out, meet people, yeah, go to the party, yeah. The extrovert is somebody who is the opposite of extrovert.
Introvert.
Yeah, introvert is quiet. He likes to stay in the house, go to the mosque, yeah. Huh? Quiet. Yes, quiet. Very quiet, yeah. Which one is better, extrovert or introvert? Which one is better? Which one is better?
Tengah-tengahnya.
Which one is the good character? The positive character? Extrovert or introvert? Hah?
Extro
Hah?
introvert.
Dua-duanya. Ya, tidak dua-duanya. Yeah, you can, even if you want to be an introvert, it doesn't mean it's a bad character. If you want to stay home, yeah. I don't like to go out. Yeah, I like to stay home. I like to go to the apa namanya, places where there's not much noise. Yeah, I myself, yeah, sometimes I'm an introvert. I like to go to the mosque. Yeah, cuma ke masjid. I don't like to go to places where it is noisy. Yeah, noisy. Okay, but some people, they like to go to watch the soccer competition, ya kan? Which is in di mana where is the soccer competition held? Huh? In the stadium, ya? Okay. Inshallah pretty soon, segera Makassar will have a stadium, 2 stadiums. Yes, two stadiums. The mayor will build one, and then I think the governor will build one. Okay, but anyway, okay, outgoing, yeah. Usually, outgoing is a positive. Outgoing is a positive character. Likes to meet people. Like to interact with people. Okay, and then there's quiet. Okay, so quiet is the opposite of outgoing. Okay, next is rude. Rude artinya tidak sopan, ya. Okay. Now the last one is untidy. Tidy, yeah. What's the opposite of untidy? Huh? Kalau ada untidy, so this is the opposite. Okay. Untidy. Ini kotor, not organized. You like to like this is untidy. Okay, somebody who is untidy, yeah, you have to tidy. Okay, what's the opposite of untidy? What's the opposite of untidy? Huh? Tidy, of course, tidy. Rapi, ya. Ya, rapi. Okay, tidy. Everybody say tidy. Untidy. You have to be tidy. Tidy up. Tidy up artinya bersihkan. Okay, rapikan. Okay. Now, how many adjectives are there in that box? How many adjectives are there in that box?
9, 11.
Okay, 11. Okay, so now you have 11 new vocabularies, new adjectives. Okay. Latihan ketiga, third activity is, okay, now you have another 6, yeah, 6 adjectives. Okay, nah sekarang match the words below with their opposites from the vocabulary box. Listen and checklist. Okay. So selfish is apa? Helpful, sudah di paired. Selfish has been paired with helpful. Okay, lazy apa? Is the opposite of? Is the opposite of hardworking. Okay. Mahir. Polite is the opposite of? Polite is the opposite of? Polite. Huh? It's not police, yeah? Polite. Fauzan, what's the opposite of polite? What's the opposite of polite?
Ini shy.
Polite.
Salah.
Faris, what's the opposite of polite?
Rude.
Rude, okay? Yeah. Polite is sopan, yeah? You have to be polite. Don't be rude, you have to be polite. Okay? Everybody say, don't be rude, you have to be polite. Okay. Ingat. Bukan. cara pronounce-nya bukan rude ya. Rude. Mau logat British atau American? British. Oke. Oke. Bro. Rude, tetap rude. Logat Amerika bagaimana? Rude sama ya, sama. Kalau R-nya di depan itu sama, oke? Kalau yang tidak, kalau R di tengah itu baru misalnya apa ya? Misalnya
Ada teknologi.
ini, ini ya. Oke. British is work. American work. Indonesian work. Ya. Not we walk the talk. We walk the talk. Not only
Talk the
talk the talk. Okay. Talk. Okay.
We walk the talk.
Di sini you have to make this loud. Talk, walk, talk. Ya.
Dari pengen Jokowi.
Ya, jangan cepat sih. Jangan walk the talk. Not only talk the talk. Ya. What is it? We walk the talk. Not only talk the talk. Begitu. Kayaknya itu hamas. Coba talk. We walk the talk. Not only talk the talk. We walk the talk. Not only talk the talk. Ya, jangan we walk the talk. Ya. Artinya apa ya? What does it mean? We walk. Ya, ini walk. Ini kan walking kan? Ini kan walking. We walk the talk, ya. Ketika seseorang bekerja, ini ketika when somebody is walking, artinya badannya sedang bekerja, bergerak, ya. Bukan karena ada orang cuma mulutnya yang bergerak, ya. Cuma omong-omong saja, okay? Walk the talk, okay? We walk the talk. Dia sedang melakukan sesuatu yang dia katakan, ya kan? Dia mengamalkan sesuatu yang dia katakan, okay? He's practicing what he preaches. Another word is practice what you preach. Practice what you preach. Ya, practice. Preach itu artinya diceramah, ya. Practice what you preach, okay? Okay. What's the next one? Polite, shy.
Malu.
Huh? What is it? What's the? Huh? Shy is cheerful. Okay, cheerful. Talkative. Okay. What does talkative mean? From the word talk. Yeah. It's kind of the same with talk, chatty, talk. Okay? Talkative, okay? Talkative, okay? Artinya cerewet, okay? So, talkative is the opposite of apa? No. Chatty is the same. Chatty is the same? Yes, quiet. Yes, quiet. Who's the most talkative in the class? Huh? Farid, okay. Okay. And Tafa. Okay. Who's the most quiet in the class?
Herman.
One day there's a hadith, yeah? There's a hadith. There's a sahaba who didn't like to talk. Ada seorang sahabat didn't like to talk. Okay? And then another sahaba complained, why are you so quiet? You never talk. Yeah, he's introvert. And then the Prophet ﷺ said, leave him alone because being quiet is more apa? Is safer than being talkative. Ya kan? Ya. The Faris's khutbah last time, yeah. So the Prophet ﷺ said, leave him alone because being quiet, refraining from talking a lot is safer than being talkative. But sometimes you have to understand also. Sometimes if you're too quiet, kadang not so good, yeah. What can happen if somebody is too quiet? Hah?
Kurang berpikir.
Enggak, bukan. Apa? Kira-kira apa? Hah? Ya, malas bergaul apa? Kadang too quiet makes you become sombong, ya. Sometimes you can't be too quiet, okay? Huh? No. Sometimes, but no, I'm not talking about no, of course, Mahir, no. Sometimes that there's another hadith, ada sebuah hadith yang lain yang mengatakan begini. Man yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhir, whoever believes in Allah and the last day, ya. Barang siapa yang percaya kepada Allah dan hari akhir, man kana yu'minu billahi wal yawmil akhir falyaqul, maka hendaknya dia mengatakan falyaqul. Anybody memorize this hadith? Falyaqul khairan aw liyasmut. Okay? He should, if you believe in Allah, you should say something good. Falyaqul khairan. Say something good. Aw liyasmut. Jadi atau dia diam. Nah, sekarang ini ada dua pilihan, mengatakan yang baik, saying something good, or be quiet. Okay? Say something good or be quiet. Pilihan yang pertama yang mana tadi?
Bicara baik.
Oke, ya, pilihan pertama. Jadi tawarannya adalah katakan yang baik. Nah, baru setelah itu kalau tidak ada yang pembicaraan yang baik yang bisa lakukan, maka be quiet. Okay? No, kadang being quiet itu bisa sombong. Misalnya datang tidak salam, la salam wala kalam, ya kan? Ya kan? Sombong kan? Iya kan? Ya, cuek. Ya kadang cueknya. Ada juga istilah noe. No, tahu itu noe?
What is?
Noe. No expression.
Datar.
Ya, no expression. Ya, no expression.
Sigma.
Ya kan? No words, okay? No words. Apa? No expression, then no words. Nggak apa-apa, bagus. It's good to be quiet, tapi senyum. Assalamualaikum. Okay. Gitu. Okay? So this is the hadith from the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Say something good, ya. Usahakan, karena itu adalah sedekah. Your smile is a sadaqah. Did I give you the hadith last time? Tabassumuka? Oh, I haven't. Okay. Let's see.
English.
Next. Talkative and then tidy. Okay, sudah ya, selesai. Okay, tidy. What's the opposite of tidy? Untidy, ya sudah. Okay. Nah, sekarang exercise number 7. Ya, kita langsung ke 7. Read the descriptions from Sandra's diary and choose 3 adjectives from exercise 2 and 3 for each person. Okay? My friends speak. Okay. Siapa mau baca nomor 1?
Saya.
Hah?
Saya nomor 2.
Saya.
Okay.
Maksudnya ini.
Yes, number 1.
Friend doesn't speak much. Quiet. His face gets red when he speaks to girls.
To girls.
Also girls. He can never find anything in his room.
Okay, so it's been answered, yeah? The adjective or the character is apa? Quiet.
Quiet.
Who wants to read that again? Number 1. Fadil, read that again.
Hah?
Yeah, read that again. Number 1 tadi.
Tanya sedikit.
Doesn't speak much. His face goes.
Yeah, goes. His face goes.
When he speaks to girl, he can never find anything in his room.
Okay. Number 2. Tafa.
Satu adjektif.
Satu baris.
Faris. Okay, Faris. Hurry up.
Satu baris satu adjektif. Malcolm thinks he's wonderful.
Malcolm.
Malcolm.
You don't have to read the L. Yeah, Malcolm. Malcolm. Okay.
Malcolm thinks he's wonderful.
Uh-huh.
He always tells people.
Always.
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 Yeah.
Tells people what to do.
Yes.
He often insults them too.
What is the adjective that can describe Malcolm? What is the adjective? Apa kata sifatnya to describe Malcolm?
Helpful and cheerful.
Helpful and cheerful?
Wonderful. You walk the two.
Malcolm? Anybody have a?
Selfish, bossy, and talkative.
Talkative, yeah. He's bossy. He always tells people what to do, ya kan? He's bossy, yeah.
Selfish.
Yes, sometimes bossy people are selfish, yeah? All right, and
Talkative.
talkative, yes. If you're bossy, tell somebody to do this, do that, don't do this, you have to be talkative. All right, read number 3, Maher.
Tyler always says please and thank you. He studies a lot and has a part-time job. He often helps his friends.
He offens.
He often
Yes, you can say often or often. He often
helps his friends with schoolwork.
schoolwork. Yeah. What's the adjective to describe his character?
Polite,
Polite. Okay. He's polite
helpful.
and helpful. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Read that again, Fauzan. Hurry up, Fauzan. Look, satu dunia sedang menonton ini. Okay. Huh? Yeah. Number 3.
Tyler always say please and thank you. He studies a lot.
Read that again. Taylor is
Tyler always say please and thank you.
always says, yeah. Ada S-nya ya? Okay.
Always says please and thank you. He studies a lot and has a part-time job. He often helps his friends with schoolwork.
Okay. Good. Okay. Choose 3 adjectives from the vocabulary box to describe your personality. Okay. Who wants to describe his personality? Yeah?
My personality, outgoing, lazy, and polite.
Hey, everybody else, be quiet, please.
My partner personality.
Your personality first. Your personality,
My personality. I'm outgoing, lazy, and polite.
outgoing, lazy, and polite. Why do you say that you are lazy, Dafa?
Because
It's good to be outgoing and polite, but you said that you're lazy because why? Because you sleep after Fajr?
no, going to mall is tired.
You're tired,
Yeah.
okay, because you don't go to the mosque sometimes because you're tired. Okay, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make you not lazy, more diligent, yeah? Diligent. The opposite of lazy is diligent. Alright, give the mic to Fadil. What's your personality, Fadil?
Outgoing, chatty, and cheerful.
Cheerful. Okay, why do you say you're outgoing? Because you like to meet people.
Yeah,
Because you like to meet people. Yeah? Okay, make new friends. Very good. Husnul. Husnul. What's your personality?
Helpful.
Helpful.
Yes.
Okay, very good.
Hardworking
Hardworking.
and tidy.
Tidy. Okay. Why do you say you're tidy? Why do you say you're tidy? Why do you consider yourself to be tidy?
Because rapi.
You like to iron your clothes or make your bed, rapikan tempat tidur, ya?
Yes.
Yeah, before you go out, you make your bed. You tidy your bed, yeah?
Before go to school.
Okay, very good. Give the mic to Faris.
Yes.
Okay, we'll continue later.
My personality.